You ready to make some bowl covers with these Dollar Tree bandanas? Let's do this. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So you start with a bowl, got mine at Goodwill, and I have these bandanas from Dollar Tree. They come packed too. Put your bandana down, pretty side down. Put your bowl on top of it. Then we're going to do 2 inches all the way around from the bowl. I'm using an erasable gel pen. It's awesome because if you put heat to the mark, it disappears. I know. So go all the way around. Now, I know this is ridiculous, but I'm telling you this worked and I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. I took all these magnets and I measured them to 2 inches. And then I attached them to my scissors because my scissors are metal. And then we go all the way around and cut that way. It worked. I know this is ridiculous, but if you were to say need a 1/2 inch seam allowance or whatever, like, come on, right? I'm just saying. All right. So there it is. I cut it all the way out and, I needed to, though, I wanted to do the edges with my pinking shears. And the reason why is because I wanted to make sure that we reduce the amount of fraying that the fabric does. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm just folding it so that I can cut it with my pinking shears. It's wicked thin. That's why you can cut it this way. But there we go. Ta-da! Then I unfold it. Then after I unfold it, I use a ruler to measure our elastic. Got it at Dollar Tree, by the way. And I'm going to do a seam allowance all the way around, a 1/2 inch because my elastic was 1/4 inch. So then we're going to sew all the way around with leaving a little gap. Then we're going to take our elastic and we're going to go around our bowl. You want it nice and tight. And then I leave like a 1/2 inch after that. So then here's another tip. This didn't work for this project because it was too wide, but you could use chopsticks, friends. You can use unused chopsticks to go through a casing. Cool, right? I used a paper clip for mine, and see, that's the little gap I was telling you about to leave when you sew. And then we're just going to thread in our elastic all the way through to the other side. And then once you get to the other side, you're just going to clip your 2 ends together, and then I sew it. I sew it the long way just because I think that's a little stronger, and this elastic is really thick. It's not very wide. Then we're going to, when we're done with that, flip it over, sew the casing shut, and that was it. And look at this. Are you kidding me? Is it perfect? No. Am I a good sewer? Also no. Do I care? Also no. All right, so that came packed too. So of course I have to do another one. And I figured I'd show you how to do it without using the ridiculous magnet trick. And I also just wanted to show you. So this is doing that 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around. This is me showing you how to do that. And the reason why I'm showing you is because you're going to have wrinkles. And see, there's wrinkles all over, but don't worry, you're not going to see it when you put it on your bowl. The top is going to be fine, okay? And again, remember to leave a gap when you're done sewing so you can get your elastic in. And here we go. Put our elastic in, put our elastic pieces together just like we did before. Then we're going to sew it, and then once we're done sewing that, we're going to fold over that opening, and then we're going to close it, making sure that we don't catch our elastic in that casing. And there, it's done. And look at, I started doing this because you know what, friends? I want to make bread. And you have to cover the bread for a certain amount of time to proof it. And I thought this would be perfect. Instead of using cling wrap, also be cute for a little gifty if you wanted to bring something to somebody's house or if you had a picnic. I'm just saying, the sky's the limit. And it was fun to make. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.